Hi everybody, this is Tara from Poala Productions, and this is the library folio for junk journals. And you see we got lots of tags and pockets and all kinds of little bits of ephemera with a lot of pretty vintage ladies on it, and of course the back sides have 3 different background papers. And of course the first thing that we're going to do with the folio, as with all of my folios, is we're going to get to cutting on it. Once everything's cut out, you can go ahead and just put stamp ink on them, or if you don't want to do stamp ink, you can go ahead and leave them blank or go around with a pen. But here we have everything cut out. We have our lady cards, our little booklets, and what we're going to do is we're going to do all the folding first. So of course we're going to fold along these, score and fold along these lines on the folio base. And on the back side we have this stack of book spines, and this is actually going to be a pocket on the back. Now there's I think 5 or 6 of these little books, and they each have a little fold line on the back, and I'm going to go ahead and score and fold those. And these are all the little library pockets, and of course just going to score and fold all of these. There's 3 small pockets and 2 larger pockets, and we're going to set those aside. On the lady cards, you can leave them as they are. I had an interesting stamp which I thought might look nice on the corners. Of course, for the tags, we're going to go ahead and punch holes in all of them and go ahead and put some twine in on them. Of course, if you don't want to punch holes, that's fine too. Alright, got the tags done. Now, back to our little pockets here. It says a little fold and glue on the sides, so they're pretty self-explanatory. Just going to go ahead and glue each one of them and pin them down so they dry nice and flat. We're going to do that also with the larger pockets here, and then we're going to go ahead and just set them all aside to dry. And then we're going to also glue the book spines along the back there. Alright, now everything is set up and is dry. We're going to go ahead and just arrange them how you like. I went ahead and just sort of glued everything down. Now when I did mine, the middle pocket I glued on, but I probably would next time leave it so it actually had a pocket behind it. Alright, so everything is dry now, and we're going to go ahead and populate it, and here is the finished folio. As you can see, we got all the stuff in there. And if you'd like this, I have it available on my Ko-Fi shop, also my Etsy shop, but I appreciate you watching. Bye!